Hey friends, got some Fireflies LED lights. I'm going to show you how to put them in the passenger side of the vanity mirror here. And I'll show you which ones you need. So I got the whole kit for Tundra, and this is 2000, I believe it's 2007 through 2019. I happen to have a 2016 Tundra, and these particular lights are supposed to be really nice. So these are the ones you're looking for that go in your vanity mirror. The long ones look kind of like a fuse. So what you want to do, go ahead and get your little tool. It came with this tool, by the way. Put it into the bottom here, and you just kind of pop it out, just like that. Okay, you'll have your old fuse in there. Pull that out. I say fuse, it looks just like a fuse. I mean, look at that. Looks like a fuse. Anyways, gonna get our other light in there. Just simple, just push it in there between the two metal things. Try to get it straight. Now we can lift our mirror. If it doesn't work, like it didn't work, take it out and flip it around. So we're just going to simply flip this down and around like that. And now, whoa, my goodness. That is quite the difference. So there's the first one. That is amazingly bright. If you watch, that's how you put the cover back on there, and look at the difference there. My goodness, that's crazy. All right, my friends, thanks for watching this video.